Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about average, AverageA, AverageIF, AverageIFS function. First I am starting with average. So first let us see manually how to calculate the average. Average denotes arithmetic mean. It is calculated by dividing sum of the elements with count of the elements. Here I am going to find the average against the column of quantity. First I am deriving sum. Thereafter I am finding the count equivalent to 955 by 10. Means now average arrived as 95.5. Now let us cross check with the average function equivalent to average. Here I have considered quantity column. Click on OK. Here application returned average as 95.5. Here we have calculated the average for single range, means from B2 to B11. But application allows 255 numeric arguments to calculate the average. So here I am adding one more range. I am selecting price also. Click on OK. So application returns the average upon considering the data from these two columns. Here I am changing the formula equivalent to average. Here I have locked the cell while calculating the average and mentioned cell reference is B2 to B2. Click on handle. Here we can find range has changed dynamically. Next I am moving to AverageA. So what is the difference between average and AverageA? While calculating the average function, application doesn't consider text value. But coming to AverageA function, application considers text value as one of the element. Let us see. Equivalent to average. Here we can find average is 95.5. Now let us see about AverageA. Here both functions return unique value, but I will change the data. In B5 cell I am replacing 100 with pen. Here application considered pen as one of the element. Subsequently change happened in average value in that proportion. Now let us see about AverageIF function. So it is based on a condition. So here I want to find the average quantity for apple equivalent to AverageIF. First functional argument is range. So here I am considering the column A. Next second functional argument is criteria. In that I want to consider apple. Next one is average range. So I want to apply average on column B. Click on OK. Here we can find application return output as 106. Now I am going to explain about AverageIFS. This function is useful when the user wants to apply multiple criteria. Equivalent to AverageIFS. First I am providing average range. Thereafter I am providing criteria range. Next I am providing criteria. This function is useful to mention the multiple criteria. This time I am considering date column also. And my second criteria is date should be greater than or equal to 1/5/2023. Click on OK. So based on the provided criteria, application returned the output. Before closing this session, let's have a quick review on these functions. Average function returns the average of references. Average is nothing but arithmetic mean. We can derive the average by dividing sum of the elements by count of the elements. In this scenario, elements is nothing but cells. So we can say in other way like sum of the cell values by cells count. Here we can find 4 functions. First one is average. It returns the average for numeric values. So it didn't consider text data. Coming to AverageA, it is also returns the average, but it considers text data as one of the element. AverageIF means it returns the average after considering the criteria. Thereafter, last one is AverageIFS. It returns the average based on multiple criteria. So this is the brief introduction about the functions of average, AverageA, AverageIF, AverageIFS. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.